Good evening, people. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's the breaking news from United States. Yes, the United States military said on Saturday, June 3rd, that a Chinese Navy ship maneuvered in an unsafe manner near an American destroyer transiting the Taiwan Strait. In a statement, the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command said that the Chinese ship executed maneuvers in an unsafe manner in the vicinity of Changhoon, an American destroyer, during the Saturday transit. The incident occurred as the Changhoon sailed through the Taiwan Strait with a Canadian warship on a joint mission. The ship overtook Changhoon on its port side and crossed its bow at 150 yards, and the American destroyer maintained course and slowed to 10 knots to avoid a collision, the statement added. The ship then crossed Changhoon's bow a second time starboard to port at 2000 yards and remained off Changhoon's port bow, bowing and coming within 150 yards at the closest point. The US military said, adding that it files, sells and operates safely and responsibly anywhere international law allows. The Chinese military did not make any mention of Saturday's encounter. However, Colonel Xi Yi, the spokesperson of China's Eastern Theater Command, said the relevant countries are intentionally creating trouble in the Taiwan Strait, deliberately stirring up risks and maliciously undermining regional peace and stability. While US warships transit the Taiwan Strait around once a month, it is unusual for them to do so with those of other US allies. China claims Taiwan as its territory, vowing to take it one day by force if necessary, and has in recent years ramped up military and political pressures on the island. Meanwhile, on Sunday, Chinese Defense Minister Li Shangfu warned against establishing NATO-like military alliances in the Asia-Pacific. Attempts to push for NATO-like in the Asia-Pacific is a way of kidnapping regional countries and exaggerating conflicts and confrontation. Addressing a security conference in Singapore, which was attended by US Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin, Shangfu said attempts to push for NATO-like alliance in the Asia-Pacific is a way of kidnapping regional countries and exaggerating conflicts and confrontation. These attempts would plunge the Asia-Pacific into a whirlpool of disputes and conflicts. Beyond the report,